Hey guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Keith.
Welcome to our 80s life. We are kids from the 80s, so of course we love Pizza Hut. And here in Shell Knob, Missouri, you will find the coolest Pizza Hut ever.
That's right. This Pizza Hut is probably different than any Pizza Hut you've ever been to.
This is the lake. And this Pizza Hut is right on the lake. It has its own boat dock and stairs to go up to get your pizza by boat. How cool is that?
So how many of you can say that you've ever picked Pizza Hut up by boat? So here in Shell Knob, Missouri, you can do it by car or by boat. Now it's a little bit of a trek up the hill, but pretty convenient if you're here on the lake and you don't feel like getting in the car. Just call them up, order a pizza, pull into the slip here, walk up the hill, get your pizza, and you're gone. Brilliant idea. All right, so here's the slip. So if you turn around, the only problem is you gotta go up this hill. And these steps are really cool once you get up there, but a little bit of a trek, so if you're not really sure-footed, you might stick to the car. So check out this beautiful walking path. So not only is this Pizza Hut a Pizza Hut you can get to by boat, but it still has all the classic features inside.
Right, so this is actually an old school Pizza Hut. It is original, it's been here, well, as long as I can remember, and we've been coming here my whole life. And so it still has the original features, it has the old stained glass lights and all that. Well, let's go inside and see for ourselves. So my family comes to Table Rock Lake every year for family reunion, and we always have a pizza night, and tonight is pizza night.
All right, we picked up our pizza. Time to head back to the cabin. Let's go.